Peace, y'all. What's going on, man? What's going on? Y'all already know what's now Alexander in the building, man. Now Alexander in the building. So we're gonna be doing a discussion today. I want to know why Young Pharoah burping like that. That's the homie. You feel me? Young Pharoah over here burping and shit, bro. Like he look like he about to die or something. Hey, Young Pharoah, I hope you see this, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yo, you gotta drink some milk. You know what I'm saying? Some almond milk, some macadamia milk, something, bro. You be while you in the middle of talking, you put your head and your chest down on the desk. You be, ugh. Like that shit is crazy, bro. You gotta do something about that. Cause like, I fuck with you, bro. And you know what I really think it is? I really think it's probably the Nation of Islam or something. Them niggas probably put a little something in your drink, poisoning you slowly or something. But what also helps is grapefruit. You know what I'm saying? Grapefruit is good for the heart. You know what I'm saying? But yo, bro, that shit be crazy. I've accepted the fact that you ain't gonna let your baby moms and shit go. Like, I accepted that. I said, yo, this nigga really loves his children. He still love his baby mother. So, I'm still on this journey with you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, I feel like you be burping and shit. Like, that shit crazy. It looked like it hurt too. You know what I mean? So, hey, bro, yo, stay up, man. Stay positive. I'm glad to see you on the right track though. For the most part, you doing your YP perspectives, man. Hey, yo, keep that up. You feel me? Keep that up. You know what I mean? Just stay focused, bro. You got this. You living a life because you still got the bag. You know what I'm saying? You got the house, you got the bag. You don't really gotta leave. Your personality is good enough. So, you in a good place. Just take care of yourself. All right, peace, young Frau, man. Yo, that chest shit looking crazy. Get that shit checked out, you heard?